guys, day 2 here on the Carnival Sunshine. It's a little rocky. I think you see we went to the C-Day brunch, and you can see from the video that the water's a little bit choppy, but not too bad. It's just a little rocking. It's nothing too awful. We went to the C-Day brunch so far. We got up at 10. We got there at 10. It's about noon now. Hilsey went to the Fun Ashore, Fun Aboard show, and now she's at the shopping show. And you know, went to lip sync battle. That was pretty cool. Oh, and we went. What else did we go do before that? We went and oh, they have Speak Out. They had the Speak Out game. So not really. I don't really have anything planned the rest of the day. Just kind of playing it by ear. You want to go on the water slide today?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna see if the water slide's open. The ropes course. We're gonna see if that's open. It's like, it's really cloudy, but it's not really rainy, so we'll see. What's up, guys? 6 o'clock. Are you ready? We got Elegant Night tonight. And my main man, he's ready to go. I'm ready to go. Hilsey's just finishing up. This afternoon we really hadn't done much. We just went, really all we did was go to water slides, right? Yeah, we took a nap for a little while in the room and just hung out. Went on the deck for a little bit, did water slides, and now we're going to Elegant Night and maybe do something after that. We'll see.
Baby, I need your loving. Got to have all your loving. She's a bird child. When we're together, everybody knows this is how the story goes.
Oh, got down my shirt.
And that will wrap up another day on the Carnival Sunshine. Day 2 is in the books already. Tomorrow we go to Grand Turk. This evening we went to our dinner, and then we went to trivia. We went to the Motown show. It was a pretty eventful night. We had a bunch of fun. Did you have fun?
Yes, I had a great time. It's been a lot of fun.
What was your favorite part of the day?
Probably dinner. But that's always my favorite part.
We had lobster tail. That was good. So So that'll be it for today, and we will see you guys tomorrow in Grand Turk. Hopefully the sun will be out so I can get some video of a sunrise. I haven't had really much sun to speak of yet, but maybe tomorrow.
Where it's